It was one of the most craziest day for a businessman to come and see a business, the roof completely gone. So it was a very horrible moment for the community overall. But listen, we picked up the pieces.
Jamaica. Oh, yeah. Life after the barrel, we saw you rise. Picking up pieces, drying your eyes. Now Melissa comes, it's hard again. But we see your heart, we feel your pain.